How many times have you heard people say this? Maybe you have said it yourself. You come across some stock that sells for $2 a share, and already you are thinking, it's a lot safer than buying a $50 stock. I put in 20 years in the business before it finally dawned on me that whether a stock costs $50 a share or $1 a share, if it goes to zero, you still lose everything. The point is that a lousy cheap stock is just as risky as a lousy expensive stock if it goes down. If you had invested $1,000 in a $43 stock or a $2 stock and each fell to zero, you would have lost exactly the same amount, no matter where you buy in. The ultimate downside of picking the wrong stock is always the identical 100%. Yet, I am certain there are buyers who can't resist a bargain at $2 and say to themselves, what can I lose? It's interesting to note that the professional short sellers who profit on stocks that go down in price usually take their positions nearer to the bottom than to the top. The short sellers like to wait until a company is so obviously foundering that bankruptcy is a certainty. It doesn't bother them to get involved at $8 or $6 a share instead of at $60, because if the stock goes to zero, they will make the profit in either instance. And guess who they are selling to when the stock is at $8 or $6? All those hapless investors who are telling themselves, how can I lose?